Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. If it's your first time here, hi, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hi again. Thank you for joining us in this makeup masterclass series. So this lesson is about the lips. We're talking about lip products. We have lip balms, lip tints, lip crayons, lip sticks, lip. But anyway, let's jump straight into this video. I think one of the first makeup products that even people considered buying is the lipstick. Even before they learn, how to fill in their brows, they always opt for a simple lipstick. Could be a matte lipstick, a satin lipstick, or a velvet lipstick, a lip gloss, lip balm, and all those products. For the different kinds of lip products that we have, I'm going to divide them into categories, so it's easy for me to explain it better. So let's start with lip balms and lip butters. So these can either be medicated or non-medicated. Some come without the scent and all those flavors and etc etc. End of thinking capacity. So for lip butters, I've used this Nivea one. This is a good one, especially if you're putting on your makeup and you want to have your lips soft by the time you go in with your matte lipstick or any other kind of lip product that you have. So I suggest you get like a lip balm, or you can use Vaseline as well, that's fine. But before you put on like your matte lipstick, make sure you take it off so that it doesn't mix up with the matte lipstick and then it ends up becoming another formula altogether. So I have this Nivea lip balm. This is a good one. Many of us have like chapped lips. At some point in time you do get chapped lips. One of the good brands I've used is Carmex. It's a very good medicated lip balm, and especially for those who have like dry lips all the time, but you must drink water. It's a very big underrated thing, but you must drink water. Water does help. One thing I've seen people doing is okay, I also do it sometimes, like your lips are dry, then you use your saliva to but actually I find that it makes it drier. It makes it worse. So try and get a medicated lip balm if you feel like you want something to help, not speed up per se, but to help prevent the wounds that's bleeding. It's not a nice sight and it's also painful. Is a lip oil. I have this NYX Professional Makeup Lip Oil. Some people don't like this because they feel like it dries blue, and yet it doesn't. It's that dry anyway. It's not blue, it doesn't look blue on the lips at all. So I've done a video where I've shown my favorite lip products. Please be sure to watch it. I'll leave it linked in the description box or somewhere here. So this is also a good alternative. You can get like any lip oil, it will work fine. Put that as you're doing your makeup, and by the time you're done, go ahead, remove it and put your lipstick or lip gloss or whatever you want to put. Or you can just use the lip oil as is, like it can be your final product for the day. But now that we're using masks, everyone wants to use like a lipstick, like a matte lipstick. But people like me, I still wear gloss under my mask here. So just be sure to dispose of the mask after. So now you know about the lip balms. Now let's go on to lip gloss. The lip gloss is basically, it's I wouldn't call it moisturizing. The lip balms are moisturizing, but a lip gloss is more of, it's just for shine. It's just for shine, even if it has shimmer, even if it doesn't. What I'm wearing right now is actually a lip gloss, and this is the Dove Beauty lip gloss. It's a Ugandan brand, and I actually like the lip gloss. Please do check them out. Another lip gloss that I have is the NYX Butter Gloss. Guys, this thing smells so good. It smells I could eat it, but it's not that edible kind. They're actually those lip glosses that have flavor in them, but those are actually I don't like them because I'll end up eating all the lip gloss. Another lip gloss that I have, but this is in the shade Angel Food Cake. Angel Food Cake. It's a very good pinkish shade. This is Gingersnap. Now Gingersnap is a very good nude shade, especially for darker skin tones. It looks nude, it looks really good. Yeah, I think we still have some Gingersnap left. It is a fast seller. I think we have a few left. We have Tiramisu as well. We have Devil Food Cake as well. So next up we have like lip stains or lip tints, or can I call them that? So these days there are so many, you know, ways how lip products or lipsticks or lip colors are applied to the lips. One of the recent ones I've seen is you apply the lip gloss or the lip product, then you peel it off and it leaves, you know, color on your lips. I think I saw it on Fumi's page. Yeah, I think it was on Fumi's page. She applied, it looked purple, then when she removed it, it was kind of like a pinkish reddish color. That's also one product, I don't know what it's called, I'll leave the name down there. That's also one product that I've seen recently. Others are stuff like crayons. So crayons basically like a pencil or, you know, a crayon, and just apply that in your lips, a thick product. Then after that we go into the lips. So for lipsticks there are so many kinds. We have the matte, we have the sheer, we have the velvet, and yeah, all those. And it can either be the bullet type, which is this one, something like that. Let me get another one. So these are the three that I have. This is the L.A.Girl, I've forgotten the name, so the name has even rubbed off. Okay, this is a matte lipstick. It's a black lipstick by L.A.Girl. Actually, I like using this a lot. Yeah, sometimes I use it too much, but it's a very good matte lipstick right there. Yeah, right there. And then this is the sleek. It's a sleek lip. It's a sleek lip. It's a sleek lipstick, yeah, and this is in the shade No Diggy. It's a purple shade, very nice purple shade. Again, it's also hard for, you know, darker skin tones to find, you know, lipsticks that match them. Is there any? So it's like we're not thought of. And this is a Revlon Colorstay Ultimate Suede, kind of a shimmery lipstick, but it's mainly like for the ombre kind of lip. But yeah, those are the bullet kind of lipsticks. So these ones usually come in matte formula or satin formula, which is, you know, on the glossy side but not exactly a gloss. Then if you don't want that bullet kind of lipstick, they are the liquid lipsticks. This is the Huddah Cosmetics lipstick. This is a Kenyan brand, and this is the shade Vamp. Vamp is it's a good shade. I put it a dupe for review. Don't attack me, but yeah, that's what I think. Let me just swatch this one here, and this one actually sometimes fails to come off. So this is it's a very nice matte lipstick. I did a review on this one, and then another one that I have, this is the Sleek, shut the up, STFU. Is that what it means? Unless it means something else. It's like a pinkish, yeah, there we go, like a pinkish lipstick. Then the next one that I have is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. This is number 23, and it's a dark purple lipstick. I rarely use this one actually. It is quite drying in my opinion, but all these are my lipsticks, so it's okay if I swatch them on my hands. So that is a Huda Beauty lipstick. Yeah, I have the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is the shade Fighter. This is a good ombre lip as well. Maybelline has very good, you know, consistency for their lip products, but I'd mainly use that in an ombre lip, not too much, just a little. Go in with a brown lip liner or something like that, and I would use that Maybelline shade right there. This is the shade Fighter. I also had a Pioneer somewhere, and it's a red lipstick. It's almost like another dupe for MAC Ruby Woo or MAC Retro Matte, one of the two red lipsticks, and it also works really well. Oh, I left it somewhere, but I'll leave a picture there. Then we have the NYX Lingerie. I have the NYX Lingerie lipstick. This is number 21, and it's called Delicate Lust. It looks like that. those are just a few of the swatches that I have. This NYX lipstick right here, I use that for ombre lips, as well as this one and the Revlon one as well. So the rest I can wear them as is, but just add just a little bit of a lip liner. Oh, lip liners. So lip liners, again, dark and brown skin tones have a good old brown lip liner, because I feel like brown goes with everything. You can have black as well, depending on the look you're going for, but I feel like a brown lip liner is good enough. We have the Davis eye pencil number 54. You can also use the 03, which I cannot see. You can use the 03 as well. That's also a good lip liner, like a whole lip liner as a, you know, a lip product, and not add anything else to it. Or you can add like a, you know, a gloss to it if you want to put it much more on the glossy side. Also, another color I have is number 38. Another thing that I did mention, the lipsticks and all those things can also come in palette form. So in the palette form, it's basically like a concealer palette, like a lipstick palette. So you use a brush to get that lipstick from, you know, the palette, and then you apply it onto your lips or your client's lips. But for a client, I prefer you only, you know, scoop as much as you need, then use it. Don't, you know, use the brush and put it back on the palette. Not nice. So yeah, with the palette you use a brush. And yeah, that's it for the lipsticks that I have. You've seen the lip glosses that I have. I don't know of any other lip product besides those. If there's anything new, you guys can let me know. Please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see how to get them to you. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.